Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Imagine Nicolas Cage stepping into the shoes of Spider-Man, but not as we know him. Could he pull off a noir version of the iconic hero? And let's dive into the first official look at Cage's take on Peter Parker. Amazon Prime Video is set to bring us a fresh, gritty hero in the form of Nicolas Cage's Spider-Man Noir. Fans have been waiting for this moment, with glimpses of Cage in action appearing online. He's dressed in all black, complete with a top hat and circular goggles, ready to swing through the streets of Noir, New York. And then these images were first shared on Amazon's site before the big reveal at Upfront 2025. And what a man-up that is set in this context. Back in October 2024, TMZ dropped some set photos showing Cage in the same costume, perched on a vintage car. In the Noir series, Aaron Taylor Johnson plays the older Peter Parker, private detective struggling with his past. Lamorne Morris joins as Robbie Robertson, a Daily Bugle journalist, while Joker, fully ad stars, will appear in unspecified roles. This show is set to premiere on Amazon Prime Video in early 2026. Despite delays, the project is heating up, with Amazon's upfront presentation coming up in 2025. A trailer might be just around the corner, and if that's not exciting enough, Jake Gyllenhaal's return in Spider-Man Beyond the Spider-Verse adds to the anticipation. In just a few months, we'll see what Cage can do with this noir twist. Will he be the new face of Spider-Man? Stay tuned. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,